This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Bobby Lawrence. Located on the Chesapeake Bay with view from both great room and primary suite. Great room with wood fireplace. Eat-in kitchen plus breakfast bar. 2 en-suites. Primary bedroom and bath with walk-in shower. Second bedroom and bath with tub/shower. Oversized attached garage with plenty of room for storage. Close proximity to naval bases, interstates, restaurants. Exit out your front door with immediate beach access. HVAC approximately 2017. Architectural roof approximately 15 years old. Property to be sold in as is condition. December 11, 2025. For more information, review the details below.